Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the gossip quest about Alu's Treasure in Heartopia. So first, just go meet the NPC Naughty at the Onsen Mountain, like this, and then just talk to him. Accept the quest, gossip Alu's Treasure, like this. And then in here you can just complete the quest by find the treasure that you can find it on the Onsen Mountain. More precisely, it's located near the Capybara Cove. Over here you can see the bubble like this, and for the locations, it's located over here, this one at the Onsen Mountain over here. And then next, just pops the bubble, and then you will get the treasure, star and moon earrings. And after that, just go back to Naughty. Like this, just talk to the Naughty again, and then just tap on Gossip Alu's Treasure, like this, and then you will get the home decorations like this, and gold, and 400 gold. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.